We're back, and it's time now for our Neblett, Beard, and Arsenault Legal Difference segment. Wes Gralapp continues our chat about car insurance this morning. Wes, good to have you on the phone once again. We're kind of getting used to this now, huh?
Sure are, Mark. And, you know, it's wonderful to be able to have the technology to continue to do things even though we're doing them remotely.
Right. Okay, let's get into the discussion here real quick. What happened? We started this last week. What happens after I file a claim, after a car wreck?
Typically, a lot of frustration.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, first thing is that you're obviously wanting to know what's going to happen to your vehicle and whether or not you're going to get a rental car, and whether or not your car is going to be repaired, who's going to repair it. And the insurance company is making decisions on its own and at its own pace. And that pace is never in line with what you need. You know, we live in an area where we depend on our vehicles to get to work, to take our kids to school, things like that. Mm-hmm. And so, you know, in metropolitan areas, they take the subway. Well, you can't do that here. Mm-hmm. So getting your car taken care of is the best and first thing to do when you've been in an accident. And so hopefully what you can do is get the insurance company on the phone and get them out to your house or to the wrecking yard to see your vehicle and appraise the damage.
Mm-hmm. And what do we need to know? What should we know about the insurance company, the company that's handling all of this?
Well, technology is changing the way they do it, and so what you should know is that they're going to rely on you to provide them with information so that they can evaluate the damage to your vehicle, mm-hmm. and so that they can get you in a rental car and things like that. Oftentimes, they have trouble talking to the person who caused the accident to get their side of the story, and so that delays things. And you're entitled to a rental vehicle from the date the accident happened, as long as your car is disabled.
Yeah.
As well, you know, as well as if you have a ride with someone else and you can't afford a rental vehicle any other way, then you're entitled to the loss of use of your vehicle. You're entitled to be compensated for that as well. Mm-hmm. The insurance company's not going to tell you those things, and the insurance company is basically, they're not bad guys. They're just overworked and underpaid, and have to have certain decisions made before they can act. Mm-hmm. They're a large company that everyone has to answer up the ladder to.
Yeah. Now, how does an insurance company determine what my car might be worth?
Well, if your car is what we refer to as totaled, mm-hmm. then what they'll do is they'll use a national survey to find a common price in a similar area for your vehicle on the day that the accident occurred, and then that's what they owe you. Mm-hmm. Now they owe you all of these things in a timely fashion, and should they fail to perform in a timely fashion, the court could award penalties and attorney's fees against them for failing to act promptly.
Okay, and that's always a difficult determination when your car is totaled.
Your car is always worth more to you.
Yeah, than the insurance company.
Than to the public, because it's your transportation. It's reliable, mm-hmm. And so it's often disappointing, and oftentimes people are what we call upside down, in that their car has lost value since they purchased it, but what they owe on the car to the bank is more than the value.
Right.
So the insurance company has an obligation to pay the bank first, mm-hmm. and you're stuck without a car.
Okay, what does the insurance company expect from me?
They will want you to take photographs of your vehicle. They will want you to provide a recorded statement, mm-hmm. about how the accident occurred. They will want you to take less than what you think you should take. And it's a very difficult process, and it's one that oftentimes leads to people hiring attorneys. And it's something that we have been doing for close to 40 years in Central Louisiana. And the one thing, I've been doing it for 28 years, and the one thing I can tell you is that it has not changed. Getting the insurance company on the phone to do things properly takes hard work, and oftentimes people have jobs and other commitments and don't have the time to do it.
And like you said, it can be very stressful, complicated, frustrating, you name it.
Oh, especially if you're injured at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so yes, it's very, very stressful.
All right, if people have any questions, they need to get in touch with you, Wes. What's the best way to do it at Devlin, Beard and Arsenault?
Just give us a call, 561-2500.
Got it. Good talking to you once again, Wes. Good to have you.
Thank you.
We have more to come. We're going to visit with Stacey Bloomquist with Coosatcha National Forest in just a few minutes. Stick around.